Hi, my name is Ashley Allen, and today I will be going over a step-by-step instruction of how to access Simpleshow. I discovered this tool from the top 101 hottest EdTech tools according to the Education Experts article. I chose this tool because it is one I can see myself personally using for instructional planning within my career. My Simpleshow allows you to create your own explainer video in just minutes. This tool is a great resource to be used inside or outside of the classroom, both for teachers and students. For me specifically, I plan to use it to create instructional videos on how to use our training management system. To create a video, you choose a storyline, you write the script, copy the script from a document or PowerPoint, and My Simpleshow will create the video for you with graphics and voiceover. My Simpleshow is so easy to use and intuitive to learn that it makes for a great tool for setting up homework or assignments. Get students to create animated presentations or explanations of key topics to cement their understanding and allow them to demonstrate their knowledge. Explainer videos are 65% more effective than PowerPoint presentations in terms of learning efficiency. Explainer videos help to gain twice the knowledge than PowerPoint presentations. And lastly, 84% of people find explainer videos more entertaining than regular PowerPoint presentations. So to sign up, you would go to simpleshow.com, and in the right-hand corner there'll be a free sign up button. Once you've selected this button, you will be taken to my videos page. And to sign up, it's simple. It's just your name, email, and information. And this will give you the free tutorial side of the video maker, and then I'll go into pricing here in a few minutes. So once you've signed up for free, you'll select Create New Video. You will add the name of your project. You will either write your own script or again upload your PowerPoint document. Once you have named your project, whatever that might be, a tutorial video will pop up. I found that in every step of creating this video, you will receive a helpful tutorial that is going to walk you through and remind you of how to create this video, which is super helpful. However, if you get to a certain point of figuring it out and knowing how each tab and step works to create the video, you can select Do Not Show Again box, and then you won't have the tutorial pop up the entire time. However, I found it to be helpful. The video is straightforward and pretty simple to use, but it is great, straightforward reminders as you're creating, especially for the first time. So from there, then you will choose a template, either professional, personal, or educational. Any of these you select, again, it's going to pop up a video and walk you through how to use it. I had played with the educational side of things and the professional explain a workflow. For me personally, if I explain how to use our training management system, I found this broke it out very straightforward and it's pretty interactive. So once you select your template, you'll see again a video is going to pop up to walk you through the steps. You're welcome. They're all fairly short and under a minute. You're welcome to watch, or you can say do not show again, or just simply exit out of the video. So from this page, it's going to give you 2 examples for each section. So for right now, I'm going to just paste a few ideas as we go. This gives you an idea of the information they're going to need to create the story. So I'm going to just set up, that way we have a few details as I show you an example. So I go from here. I'm just going to add a few, but there's at least 9-10 different steps within here. Once you fill in your entire script and your story, you will select Visualize. Here you can select Classic or Clean. Anytime I've been selecting Classic. Again, a tutorial video will pop up and tell you what the next steps are. It's really great. Just from entering your initial script, it's going to start to bring in images. It's creating scenes. You'll see your script and the verbiage that you're using. And you're welcome to drag around the different scenes, edit the text, pick on the pictures, select new pictures. It is actually very fun to see your story come to life. So once you have implemented all of the steps, you will then select Finalize. From here, it's going to show you that you can use different voices, music, various different settings. So I would watch through this video. And from here, you can play through, test it, make sure you like the voices, if you're using a female to speak out some of it, or a male, subtitles, volume, watermark, different colors and animations. And then from here, you can play, get a sample idea of how it looks, or you can, if you're done, you can select Finalize Video, and then you can make it public with link, or private, and then select the quality of your video. Depending on the size of your video, it may take a few seconds. And once this video has downloaded and it is finalized, that's it. It is very straightforward, pretty simple to create these very interactive, engaging visual presentations where it's not just a standard PowerPoint. So there it goes. So you can click through here and see an example. And just like that, within a few minutes, you have this fun, unique way of creating your storyboard. And especially if you're in the educational system, a lot of students are very visual and they want to see the story coming to life, and they can actually remember the content better if it's visual. And I personally know in my career, even though I don't work in the educational field, I know that this will be helpful for the new employees to understand our system. From there is a pricing tab. This is the free version. There's some where you can get unlimited accounts, business, pro. They do also offer demos to speak with your company or your school. And I think it's very worth the prices that are either monthly or annual for the quality of videos that you can get and create within a few minutes. I personally look forward to using this tool in this master's degree program as well as my workplace to create fun and explanatory instructional videos. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.